Hi, it's Corey Chambers in Los Angeles. Thanks for taking a minute to listen in. In a moment, I'll share with you some valuable information about this topic of Rowan Lofts Layout PDF, which also includes Los Angeles loft and condo buildings, floor plans, plat maps, and county assessor tax maps. And if you see a property that you would like more information on, just let me know. And if you'd like, we'll gladly send you a property information packet of any property or arrange for private preview upon request. If you have a home you'd like to sell, then you should know that I will guarantee the sale of your present home at a price acceptable to you, or I'll buy it for cash. This guarantee will allow you to buy your next home without worrying about selling your present home. To find out how much you could sell your home for, call me at 213-880-9910 now. So here's a typical floor plan of a loft that happens to have a bedroom. More than half of lofts are just open spaces, one area like this without the extra bedroom there. But some of them do have bedrooms, and some of them have doors. So, and that's a floor plan. And I will also show you what a county assessor, tax map, or plat map looks like. Here's a question that came in to the LA Loft blog. Where can I find a PDF file that has the layout for Rowan Lofts? Well, there are two types of files that provide a visual of the layout for specific loft buildings and for individual condominium units in downtown Los Angeles. Number one is a unit floor plan, which is, just like a house floor plan, except it's a unit is smaller. It often just has a couple rooms, the main loft area, and a bathroom. Number two is the tax map, which is provided by the county assessor's office, and I'll explain the differences between those two. The individual floor plan is sometimes a bit harder to find because it's only occasionally provided by builders, developers, sellers, real estate agents, or it's custom measured and drawn up by a professional floor plan service. Fortunately, the LA Loft blog has a free service that provides the county assessor's map, which includes low-resolution basic floor plans of all the units, plus a plan of the entire building, and also specific unit details floor plans when available, all at no charge. So to get a free building layout, a unit floor plan, a floor plan of a house, and also a tax assessor plat map, just fill out the online form on the LA Loft blog, and that's it. That's the whole form. It's very short and quick. And down here is an actual county assessor map of units inside of a loft building. And these are actually units inside of the Rowan building. You can see unit 1105, unit 1107. And then you can see the total square foot, 1,260 square foot for that one, a small 470 square foot for this one. This one has, I believe, an external view. And then but you can see individual dimensions wherever the walls change, or entire walls. You can see the actual measurements. So here you can see you got a 10.67 square foot area of wall. You got a 2 foot area there, which is probably brick or some other structural component. And then you got another 10.67 wall. And these walls probably have some very large windows in these wall areas here. And then the front door is probably is over here somewhere. So that is all the information today about Rowan Lofts layout and PDF. Get your own PDF for whatever properties you're interested in, or if you're thinking about selling your own home and you want to get a free floor plan, just let us know, and go ahead and use this little form here. All right, well, hope that you enjoyed and learned something about floor plans for downtown Los Angeles lofts and condos, and many of the same details apply to regular single-family homes. All right, I'm Corey Chambers in Los Angeles, and thanks for taking a look and listen. And as I mentioned, a property information packet of any of these units or buildings or a private preview is available upon request. Call 213-880-9910 now. Thanks for listening in. Corey Chambers in Los Angeles. Your home sold guaranteed or I'll buy it. Thank you once again, and you take care. Bye-bye.